What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Pixel 5 from Google. That's right. Now, I have a new screen protector that I want to show you how to install, and it's from a company called Spigen. A great company. I want to thank them for sending this over to me. I actually ordered this online, and pretty good price on it. It comes in a 2-pack, and I'm going to show you how to install this. Now, there's a couple tips that I want to go over before you install a screen protector that are very important. Number one, always wash your hands, okay? That way you get all the oils off and all that good stuff. The other thing is you want to install this screen protector mostly at night. That way you can let it sit overnight, and that way if you put a case on it, it's not going to mess up your screen protector. I would recommend if you can let it sit for 24 hours, but that's not realistic. 99% of the people that have a phone are not going to not use their phone for over a day. But if you're sleeping at night, you leave it on the counter, I think that's good enough and you'll be good to go. You won't have to worry about it. Now, the Pixel 5, as you guys know, has Gorilla Glass 3, so you want to protect this with a screen protector and also a case. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at the packet in here. Now, they hook you up pretty good. They give you a couple swabs here to clean it off. Fiber cloth, also some dust remover stickers, which is great. Some of the literature in here, a little squeegee. They also have this guide here that I'm going to show you how to use to make it real easy. The cool thing about Spigen is in the package, they protect the actual tempered glass underneath the plastic, which I think is a good move. So the first thing you're going to do is you want to wipe down. So I'm going to use this box from Spigen to kind of give me like a little bit of a base here. The first thing you want to do is you want to clean your device. Well, first thing you want to do is shut it off. That way you don't have to worry about, you know, touching the screen or any of that good stuff. So go ahead and turn it off, and then you're going to wipe it down. Then after you wipe it down, you want to dry it off with your microfiber cloth. No dust. And then you want to take your dust remover stickers and make sure there's no lint or anything on your device before you put on your tempered glass. So you go ahead and grab one of these from the corner, real easy. And then I just kind of cover the whole device. And then the next thing that you want to do is get your screen protector, or get your guide here, and make sure that you put the top at the top and the bottom at the bottom. So you want to align it like so. So then you have your guide there. Then you grab your tempered glass, which are protected here in the package from Spigen. And then it's going to have a little pull tab for the back. So you want to go ahead and pull the back like so. You don't want to touch the back. And then you just want to lay it in here, drop it like so, make sure it goes in. Once it goes in, you're going to push here and kind of slide it down so that the adhesive sticks to the device. Okay. And then you want it to cover all the way throughout the device. As you can see there, it's pretty much covered. And then you'll have this squeegee to let out the bubbles, or you can kind of work those out when you're done. There's also some instructions in here that come with the packaging. So if you guys want to check that out, you can. So you want to go ahead and kind of get these bubbles out on the edges. And then kind of boom, like so. And then once you get that, you could probably take off your guide because you have put it perfectly in there. And then all my bubbles are pretty much gone. I just got to get this one side over here. Boom, as you can see. And that's a pretty perfect install. And then what this is a little sticker here that you kind of just pull off that you don't need anymore. Take that off. And then you just use your little squeegee here to work out your bubbles. But I don't have it. I think I have one here at the bottom. But this is a pretty good install, man. So we're gonna go ahead and fire this bad boy up, and then we're gonna slap it in a case. For this purpose of the video, I'm gonna put it in a case right away, but like I said, I would wait overnight. But this is an install video. So this installed pretty good. I'm really liking the tempered glass on here. So, yeah, I really do like this one a lot. All right, so we're gonna try some of these cases here. Like I said, I recommend you wait overnight, but for the purpose of the video, I have the slim fit here from Spigen. We're gonna go ahead and toss this in here to show you that it's case friendly. Boom, real good. And that I have the, I believe the rugged armor case. I like the thin fit one though, but this rugged armor is good too because it has that good grip on the sides. But as you can see, man, so you see your phone is perfectly protected, so you're gonna have no issues. And then you got the clear case, ultra hybrid case, and this one works well too. So this one I think is the most protective from Spigen that I can tell. But yeah, that is the screen protector from Spigen. And like I said, they give you 2 in the pack. So if your screen protector gets damaged or anything like that, you'll be good to go. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions on how to install this, any recommendations or anything like that, let me know. Also, like this video, helps me out. And subscribe to the channel, man. I'm pushing towards 17,000 subscribers. I appreciate everybody who's been part of the party, people been part of the channel. Love you guys. Keep it moving. But this is the Spigen screen protector, tempered glass for the Pixel 5a from Google. Thanks so much for watching. Peace, party people.